Hi you guys, it's Love Lux Girl back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some DIY red roses, long stem red roses with glitter. So I saw this and I thought it was a really pretty idea, so I decided to try it and do it. And I figured since I was doing it, why not record it? I thought somebody else might be interested in seeing it, so I decided to record it for my channel. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel if you like videos like these. I normally do handbag videos, but I figured I'd switch it up. And like I said, since I knew I had to do these, or I wanted to do these and have fun with them, I decided to make it content for my channel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below. So basically, I bought a dozen red roses and I'm going to glitter them. Basically, the supplies that I have that you need is going to be tissue paper, because when you're finished, you're going to want to wrap them individually. Of course, you're going to need glitter. Don't judge me. Please don't judge me, you guys, but I got my glitter from Dollar Tree. And it's just an off-brand of glitter that I found at Dollar Tree. Basically, I was on my way home from work today and I'm tired and I knew I wanted to do this. So I just stopped at Dollar Tree and picked up some glitter. You're going to need some ribbon. And I went ahead and I pre-cut on my ribbon so that I don't have to stop in the middle of doing one or doing a job. I kind of prepped everything so that I could keep it moving and keep it flowing. So far I've done 3 and I am no expert. They are not, fabulous, but this is what I'm working with. So basically this is what they look like when you're done with one. Also, what I'm using to adhere or to make the glitter stick to the roses is hairspray. So I forgot when I was at the store to buy hairspray, so I just used what I had at home in my bathroom linen closet. So basically I'm a natural, I have natural hair, so I use the Garnier Fructis. So don't judge me, there's only a little bit left, enough to do this job. So these are the 3 that I've done already. Let me go ahead and show them to you. That's what they look like. And like I said, you guys, they're not perfect. I kind of wished some of them have like a little blob. This is the last one that I did, and I think it's the best one because I'm getting a little bit better as I'm doing it. Because I didn't want them to have, like, this was the first one that I did, and it looks kind of really nice right there, but like I wanted the glitter, I didn't want to put glitter over the whole rose and cover the beauty of the rose. I just wanted a little sparkle, but I ended up dipping this one in glitter, and you can see there's a big blob of glitter right there. So I wouldn't recommend that. Just kind of take your time and see the other side turned out better. This is more the effect that I was looking to go for, just like a little shimmer, so that it would look nice. So let me go ahead and try to do one with you guys. So here we go. Here we have one that's not done yet, not completed yet. And the first thing I'm going to do is spray it with a little bit of the hairspray. We'll do the top first. Okay. And then you want to dip it. And I'm just usually dipping just like half of it, not the whole flower. There we go. That way, when you just dip half, you get, you know what I'm saying? You're not covering the beauty of the whole rose. It doesn't just look like a big blob. And then now let me do a little bit on the outside of the flower. Oh, there we go again with that big blob. So I'm going to brush a little bit of that off. See how much of that I could get to come off. Okay. Then I'm going to just do some of it without hairspray so that it just, you know how when you touch glitter, anything with